Bricolage theory. Within the latest decade, bricolage as a tactic to qualitative inquiry has obtained publicity in academic circles. Anyway, while constraint and conceptual precedents subsist, the tactic has continued comparatively misunderstood and uncommon in broader research societies. This may be for the reason that the complexity of the tactic has stymied widespread commentary and debates. Obviously, Tinson and Lincoln in 1999 think bricolage to become more than a multi-method study. They view it as a tactique that authorizes researchers to esteem the communication of the meaning, producing, and inquiry operation. In this manner, it challenges the foundation of conventional multi-method survey. The methodological plane inserted by the crucial bricolage structure should become interdisciplinary at ontological, philosophical, epistemological, and methodological standards. Concentration on webs of connections instead of plain objects in themselves. The bricoleur builds the object of survey in a more complicated framework. In this procedure, attention is guided toward relationships, processes, and interconnections among phenomena. Anyway, such sections drive bricoleurs to numerous dimensions of multi-logicality.